Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Monday, December 22nd, 2014. Thank you all for tuning in. I'd like to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures, and what you'll see here is that the futures are trading higher this morning by about 4 points to 20.71 per contract. So again, the markets continue to be resilient and rally higher. Today's move is not, a huge move higher, but nonetheless, the markets are trading up. Now, there's some stocks in the news. The first one we're going to start off with is Gilead Sciences. What you're going to see here is Gilead is trading at around $98 a share. Stock closed at $108 a share. So this is a big haircut for Gilead. I will have gap levels for this equity in the intraday stock chat this morning right at 9 o'clock. So, again, if you're looking at Gilead today on the downside, and everybody is, again, this will be a stock that we'll look to trade in the intraday stock chat today. So come on over, take a 7-day free trial, and we'll have levels for Gilead. The news behind the stock is that it looks like Express Scripts has decided not to choose Gilead's hepatitis C drug as its main discount drug. So it looks like ABBV, which is ABBV, their drug has been considered and will be used by Express Scripts. So Express Scripts has a lot of clients, and they will be getting a discount for using the ABBV drug. And ABBV this morning is trading up a little bit. Stock closed at $67.71, now trading at $71.25. I don't see a lot of upside from here on ABBV. I think a lot of it was already baked in, so we'll see how that plays out. But nonetheless, they are the beneficiaries from the decision made by Express Scripts. Let's take a look at Express Scripts today. ESRX is the ticker symbol. And it looks like that stock right now is trading at around $81. So I don't know if it's much of a change from yesterday, or from Friday, I should say. Nothing really here that really tells me that Express Scripts is going to make much of a move with that decision. But you do want to watch other biotech stocks today in that have drugs related to hepatitis C. One stock is VRTX. This stock is trading a little bit lower, closed at $118.90, now trading at $116.97. Also, the ABBV, which is the NASDAQ Biotechnology Index, it is trading down as well, closed at $117.20. It is now trading at $311.55. So the level I would get interested in this one would be much lower. I'm going to try to figure out some levels for the ABBV in the intraday stock chat. And if you're looking at Vertex today, which is VRTX, that stock still has a lot of support around the 110 level. Not sure it's going to get down there today, but if it does, that would be a level I would become interested in it in. And also, I'd like to look at it during the market hours and see if it provides us any opportunities. Next up, we have Boeing in the news today. They received an order, I believe, from China Airlines or China Air. I think they're going to look at producing 60 737 aircraft. Stock is trading up a little bit. Full disclosure, I do own Boeing. Let's take a look at OCN. What you're going to see here is that this company came under some scrutiny. They're a mortgage servicer, and stock is getting hit pretty sharply today. It looks like there is a report out on OCN that one of the officers will have to leave the company as a settlement. You could read all the news you want about it, but either way you slice it or dice it, this stock is down over 10% today, and that's a pretty big decline. Looks like the chairman had to resign. So a level I would get interested in this stock would be around $17.75. Right around there, I think that's a good level to pick OCN up. It may not get down to that level, but either way, that's the only place I'm going to look to step into it. Other than that, I'll let it free fall and let it go lower. But around $17.75, it does look interesting as a long side play. Looking at gold this morning, gold is trading up about 40 cents to $1,194 an ounce. Not a big deal there for gold. If you take a look at the GLD, GLD's really just been chopping around sideways, and I would expect more of that to take place into the end of the year. Looking at crude oil, crude is down 43 cents, so that could weigh on the market a little bit. When crude stabilizes, that gives the market a little bit of stability, but when crude starts to fall again, the major energy stocks could come under some pressure. Today, light sweet crude futures are down 42 cents to $56.71 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, you'll see that is trading off near the morning lows. So be a little bit careful here with crude energy. I'm not seeing a whole lot there. You want to definitely keep it on the radar today. But again, crude can still remain volatile going into the end of the year. I don't see really any signs saying that it won't. I think I covered everything that I wanted to get through today. I know this report is pretty quick, pretty brief. But again, we're going to look at biotech this morning. We're going to look at Gilead and a few other names out there. So we'll see how this market plays out. If you want to see everything that we're doing, come over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see all of our morning activity. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.